The $2 decision that destroys $2,000 engines. Saving $2 at the gas station feels like nothing. It feels smart. It feels responsible. It feels like you made the better choice. But here's what nobody warns you about. That tiny decision, the cheaper pump, the shorter line, the unfamiliar brand, can quietly shave years off your engine's life without ever triggering a warning light. Modern engines don't fail loudly anymore. They fail politely. They start slower, they pull less power, they burn more fuel, and by the time something finally breaks, the damage is already layered deep inside places you can't see. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most gas sold today is legally acceptable, but mechanically harmful. And the brands doing the most damage aren't obscure, they're popular, they're familiar, and millions of drivers trust them every single day. Tonight, we're breaking down the Gasoline Blacklist, the 11 gas brands mechanics quietly avoid, why modern engines suffer from them, and how saving a few cents today can cost thousands tomorrow. Because once you see what's happening inside your engine, you'll never look at the pump the same way again.
These are the 11 brands to avoid. The Blacklist. These brands are not illegal. They're not selling fake fuel, but based on additive practices, fuel sourcing models, consumer complaints, and mechanical behavior in modern engines, they repeatedly show the same pattern. They meet the minimum legal requirement and stop there. And for modern engines, minimum is a slow death.
Safeway, the detergent deficiency that builds silent damage. Safeway is not a fuel company. Fuel is a side business meant to bring shoppers into the store. And because of that, reports suggest Safeway stations often rely on generic rack fuel, the cheapest fuel available from regional suppliers. What's missing is the problem. Unlike major fuel brands, Safeway does not consistently use a proprietary detergent package. That means fewer cleaning agents reaching your intake valves, injectors, and combustion chamber. In modern GDI engines, that's dangerous. Carbon begins forming on intake valves almost immediately. Without strong detergents, that carbon doesn't soften or break down, it bakes. Over time, smooth valve surfaces turn rough, airflow becomes turbulent, combustion efficiency drops. At first, you notice slightly worse gas mileage, then weaker throttle response, then rough cold starts. Nothing breaks until everything does. And when valves need manual cleaning, that bill doesn't come cheap. But inconsistency might be even worse than low quality. 7-Eleven, the fuel you can't predict. 7-Eleven doesn't refine fuel, they buy it. And according to industry bidding practices, that fuel source can change frequently based on price, availability, and logistics. One week, the fuel might be decent. The next, it could be borderline. Your engine doesn't know what's coming, and that's the problem. When fuel chemistry changes, engines protect themselves. NOx sensors activate, ignition timing gets pulled back, power is reduced to prevent damage. That doesn't feel dramatic, it feels subtle. Your car just feels a little slower, a little less responsive, a little less efficient. And over thousands of miles, that constant self-protection adds stress to internal components designed to operate within tight tolerances. You didn't lose performance suddenly, you bled it out tank by tank. Sam's Club, the bulk volume illusion. Sam's Club fuel feels like a smart deal. Big brand, big store, big savings. But here's what most drivers don't realize. Unlike Costco, Sam's Club fuel is not top-tier certified. That means detergent levels often hover just above the legal minimum. Their priority is volume, not refinement. High-volume, low-detergent fuel leads to one major issue: injector fouling. Instead of spraying a fine mist, clogged injectors begin producing uneven streams of fuel. Combustion becomes sloppy. fuel doesn't burn cleanly. The engine compensates until it can't. That's when rough idling, hesitation, and random warning lights start appearing. And injector replacements, they're not cheap, especially on modern engines. But contamination isn't always chemical. Sometimes it's physical. Circle K, the infrastructure risk nobody talks about. Circle K operates largely as a franchise. That means station quality depends heavily on individual ownership, not corporate oversight. Some locations are pristine, others aren't. Reports from technicians and consumer complaints frequently point to aging underground tanks at older Circle K locations. Over time, these tanks corrode. Tiny rust particles form, sediment builds, and when tanks are refilled, that debris gets stirred up. Fuel filters catch most of it, but not all. Fine particles can pass through and reach high-pressure fuel pumps, which operate at extreme tolerances. When those pumps fail, they don't warn you, they stop. And when they do, your car isn't going anywhere. Murphy USA, Walmart. Cheap by design. Murphy USA is built around one promise: be cheaper than everyone else. To hit those prices, something has to give. Often, it's the additive package. High-quality detergents like polyetheramine, PEA, are expensive. Skipping them saves money, but costs engines. Without PEA, intake valves accumulate deposits faster. Valves may begin sticking slightly, especially during cold starts or high RPM operation. That timing delay may seem small, but in engines spinning thousands of times per minute, precision is everything. Over time, that stress compounds. In severe cases, reports suggest it can contribute to catastrophic timing-related failures. Cheap fuel doesn't announce itself, it waits. Speedway, where water becomes the enemy. Speedway stations have been repeatedly flagged in consumer reports for tank seal issues at certain locations. When water enters a fuel tank, it doesn't just mix and disappear. Ethanol bonds with it. That mixture sinks to the bottom, a process called phase separation. And when you pump fuel, that sludge can get pulled straight into your engine. Symptoms vary: sudden hesitation, stalling, hard starts, internal corrosion that begins where you can't see it. And once corrosion starts inside fuel rails or injectors, there's no undo button. Love's is designed for trucks. Gasoline pumps are secondary. In practical terms, this means gasoline can sit in tanks for weeks, especially at remote locations. Stale gas begins a chemical transformation. Ethanol separates slightly, forming tiny varnish deposits that stick to injectors and fuel rails. You might notice nothing at first, just a subtle hesitation when accelerating, but inside your engine, micro-scale damage is accumulating. Injectors spray uneven streams, air-to-fuel ratios drift, throttle response weakens. Over months, this results in sluggish starts, uneven idling, and even premature wear of piston rings. And unlike a blown head gasket or seized engine, these problems appear slowly, silently, like a leak in a pipeline you can't see. Amoco, the regular grade deception. Amoco's marketing implies quality. Owned by BP gives a sense of security, but their regular 87 octane is often no better than generic rack fuel. High compression and turbo engines are extremely sensitive to octane consistency. Using this fuel in a sensitive engine can trigger LSPI, low-speed pre-ignition. Imagine a small hammer striking the piston every time you accelerate from a stop. LSPI is exactly that, and it can shatter pistons or damage rods. Worst part? Your car feels fine for a while, just a faint knock here, a hesitation there. By the time you notice, internal damage is already severe, costing thousands in repair. Pilot Flying J stations often prioritize profits over quality. Fuel blending is inconsistent. Octane may dip below advertised levels. For engines that rely on precise timing, this is a nightmare. Knock sensors constantly trigger, pulling timing back to avoid damage. Your engine loses performance tank after tank. Efficiency drops. Cylinder walls endure extra stress. Pistons slowly wear unevenly. Over tens of thousands of miles, this legal minimum fuel quietly accelerates engine aging, silent, invisible, and expensive.
Sunoco, the racing brand. Trap. Sunoco's NASCAR branding is misleading. Many assume race-level performance is in every tank. State tests, however, reveal higher sulfur content in Sunoco's regular 87 octane. Sulfur attacks catalytic converters, contaminates sensors, and disrupts emission systems. Symptoms can be subtle: reduced MPG, delayed acceleration, or an occasional check engine light. But the real cost comes months later. Catalytic converter bills can reach $1,500 on top of reduced engine efficiency caused by deposits forming in combustion chambers.
Shady distributors, the waste fuel scam. Independent stations often sell transmix, leftover fuel when pipelines switch from diesel to gasoline. Transmix contains heavy oils, sulfur, and other contaminants that immediately coat spark plugs and oxygen sensors. One tank can compromise injector performance, foul the catalytic converter, and even damage piston tops. Mechanics know these stations by reputation. If a car with engine issues has been filling here, repair bills tend to skyrocket. And because the fuel meets minimum legal standards, there's no legal recourse, just silent mechanical decay.
Here's where investing a few cents more at the pump pays off exponentially. Each top-tier brand not only meets legal standards, they surpass them, actively protecting your engine. Chevron with Techron, the molecular scrubber. Techron penetrates existing carbon deposits, not just preventing new buildup. Think of it like a micro-scale toothbrush inside your engine. Valves, injectors, and piston tops get scrubbed clean. Engines breathe easier. Combustion becomes more efficient. MPG rises. Throttle response snaps back instantly. Long-term, fewer carbon-related repairs, reduced risk of timing issues, and improved longevity of sensitive GDI components. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus, friction and carbon control. Shell doesn't just clean, it protects. The friction modifier reduces metal-on-metal contact inside cylinders. Your pistons move smoother, cylinder walls experience less wear. GDI engines remain free from sticky carbon gunk. Performance gains aren't theoretical. Engines retain horsepower longer, acceleration feels sharper, and fuel economy improves over time.
Synergy Fuel, the 7 additive arsenal. Synergy Fuel combines 7 additives targeting different risks: corrosion, oxidation, varnish, carbon, and deposits. Imagine 7 layers of protection every time you fill up. Injectors stay clean, pistons slide freely, combustion chambers resist carbon baking. Drivers report more consistent performance, fewer rough starts, and improved longevity of expensive fuel system components. Costco Kirkland Top Tier High Value. Kirkland Fuel isn't just top-tier certified, it's 5x above the EPA detergent minimum. This means extremely clean intake valves, injectors, and combustion chambers. Carbon buildup slows dramatically. Engines retain factory-level performance years longer. Costco proves that value and quality aren't mutually exclusive. You save money on fuel and prevent expensive repairs. BP Amoco Ultimate Turbocharged Protection. Ultimate Fuel is engineered for modern engines, GDI, high compression, and turbocharged powertrains. It prevents GDI gunk, reduces LSPI risk, and maintains octane consistency. Engines remain smooth, reliable, and efficient. Every tank delivers measurable benefits: fewer deposits, better combustion, less wear, and lower repair risk.
Here's the math. Spending an extra 10 cents per gallon is like buying an insurance policy for your engine.
Cheap fuel isn't just a minor risk, it's a silent killer. Valve deposits, injector fouling, LSPI, phase separation, sulfur poisoning. Every single one slowly degrades your engine, silently, invisibly, tank by tank. Top-tier fuel isn't luxury, it's survival. Clean valves, friction reduction, consistent octane, and long-term efficiency. It's the difference between an engine that dies quietly at 100K miles and one that keeps running like new for 200K. Next time you approach a pump, think about this. Do you want cheap gas that saves a few dollars today, or an engine that performs like new for a decade? Avoid the blacklist, choose top tier, protect your car, protect your investment, and most importantly, never let short-term savings destroy long-term reliability. Because when it comes to modern engines, the wrong gas doesn't just cost money, it costs years of performance, peace of mind, and thousands in repairs.